Hey, this is Thanksgiving dinner table, and if you're someone who's stressing about Thanksgiving, saying, boy, I do not want to be around my family and friends because they're going to ask about my career, and well, it's not where it wants to be or needs to be, and I'm not real good at interviewing, and I haven't done real well with my job search, well, I'm here to tell you I've got help for you. I've put together a free webinar that explains the insider tips, tricks, and strategies that will zoom you to the top of the interview candidate list. I'm talking things that I've told thousands of students, college, undergraduate, and graduate students, as well as professionals. This is serious stuff that will make you a much better candidate for that job. So if you're feeling that pressure, feeling that stress, this is your chance to get ahead. So go to serioussoftskills.com/acing. serioussoftskills.com/acing, and you can watch the free webinar and get started on finding the job of your dreams.